Hello everyone, I am Amaya Munir and I am excited to share with you today some results on the solutions of functional integral equations in Banach algebra. As a review of the article, Solutions of some functional integral equations in Banach algebra, written by Joseph Banach and Sarangani Kishne, I will discuss an existence theorem for a class of functional integral equations. Let me tell you what are functional integral equations. These are generalization of standard integral equations that involves integral of functions that depends on other unknown functions. What are standard integral equations? These equations depend on the unknown function under integral sign. And now, what is Banach algebra? It is an associative algebra over the real and complex numbers that is also a Banach space. Banach space is a complete normed space. To solve these equations in Banach algebra, the specific equation should be rewritten as a fixed point problem in Banach algebra. Then a space should be chosen that satisfies the structure of Banach algebra, and then an operator will be defined on that space. And to show that that operator satisfies the condition of contraction mapping, the Darboux conditions should be used. This condition will tell us that the operator T satisfies the contraction condition. Then we have to use the existence theorem. It is a result of Darboux fixed point theorem which uses the concept of measure of non-compactness. We have to apply the conditions of this existence theorem on our specific equation, and then it will tell us that it has a specific fixed point, and the existence of fixed point guarantees the existence of solution of the required equation. Panas and Serengani work provides valuable insights about the existence of solutions in Banach algebra. Their contribution deepen our understanding of functional integral equations. To apply these equations practically, we should have the solutions of these equations. Therefore, we find the existence of solutions by using these techniques. And their work can be expanded by choosing some other unsolved functional integral equations and find the existence of solution of that equations by using some other fixed point theorem. Here are the references for the presentation. Thank you so much for listening.